Hey guys, I'm headed over to the shop today to do an install I've wanted to do since the day I bought my Jeep. Today I'm going to be swapping out the grille for a 2024 grille from Yotto Overland. Now, what makes this company so much better than the other options out there is that you're going to get OEM quality plus. It's the same quality as OEM, but even better. He actually does a triple paint coating using actual factory paint colors, and on top of that, we have a Raptorized trim coating, so this thing can withstand a beating. But first, let's start with what comes in the box when it comes to your door. You'll first notice the quality of the shipping box. Yotto Overland is clearly making sure it arrives safely. As we pull out the grille, you can immediately see the quality of the Raptor lining. Next, we find additional hardware, the painted grille surround, and look at that color, the chin spoiler, Raptorized, the bottom trim, and finally, a bag of goodies that has more hardware, some hot chocolate, a bubble duck, and of course a sticker. To assemble the grille, we're first going to need to flip it around. Next, we'll grab the chin spoiler and snap it into place. You should hear it snap, and that's how you know you've done it correctly. Secure the chin with 2 screws. Now, flip the grille back over and grab the painted surround. This will snap into place, so just be sure that it's lined up before applying any pressure. Make sure the top clips have snapped into the grille. For this final trim piece, we need to tuck it under the front surround and snap it into place. And that's it. Our grille is assembled, and man does it look good. The paint is perfect and the Raptor lining gives it an aggressive touch. So let's get this thing installed after taking one last moment to appreciate the old grille. First, you'll need to open your hood, which is much easier if you've got these cool hood struts from Yotto Overland. Next, we'll need to remove a foam piece of trim from each side of the grille that's secured with 2 push clips. Careful not to damage these clips, as we'll reinstall them on our new grille. Next, locate the 6 push clips that hold your grille into place. We'll need to remove these to swap the grille. Again, be careful not to damage these as you will reuse them. Our final step with our old grille is to remove the weather stripping. Pop these small clips across the front of the grille and be careful with them, as again, we're going to reuse these on the new grille. Note that the side with the ribbing faces the front of your Jeep. Now your old grille should just pop out of place using the factory alligator clips. With the old grille out of the way, now we can get a good look at the front of our Jeep. Side by side, you can really see the height difference, but you'd never be able to tell a difference in the paint color. Okay, so let's pop the new grille into place. Carefully line up the alligator clips with the mounting locations on the front of your Jeep, and then snap it into place. Man, that grille looks good. Such an update. Once secure, we're ready to reinstall the weather stripping with the ridged edge facing forward. Reinstall the foam spacers on each side of the grille using the factory push clips. Then reinstall the 6 push clips across the top of your grille. And you're all set. Close up that hood and enjoy the killer looks of that new Yotto Overland grille. Wow, this thing looks incredible. Maybe my favorite visual upgrade so far. And that Raptor lining on the trim looks super tough. Pick up yours using the link below and make sure to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.